Good morning, happy homeowners. Man, this is a beautiful property we're at this morning. Hey, yesterday we was at that oldest house in the city of Orange doing the light sanding, the screen, and then a new coat of finish. Kind of doing the same thing today, not refinishing the hardwood floor, although it should be refinished. But they love the way that it's aged over the years, and just it's really dirty, but it's just they like the patina look that it's come up with, and they just want to keep that. So we're going to do a deep chemical clean with the Bona prep, a real light abrasive, just to get it ready, and then we're going to do a clear coat of the Traffic HD. But it's a beautiful property. I'm going to take you through the house. It's kind of big, but this actually, got the pool over here. This is a huge property for Orange County, California. It actually reminds me of O.J. Simpson's house in Bel Air. I did those hardwood floors way back when, after the incidents. But it's crazy. Take you inside. So the floor, 5-inch wide, red oak plank, and it's originally it was installed, sanded, and stained like a dark brown. And then it looks like probably 15-20 years ago someone came in, sanded it, and stained it like a really light color. But then over the years it's just, ambered out. It's gotten dirty in some areas. These non-stick pads, we're definitely, they're on all the steps. We're taking them off. But you can see, like from the video, just looking at it, it doesn't look really bad. Just got, like I said, it's got a real nice patina look to it. It actually almost, kind of goes with the ceiling and everything else. But I'll show you what it used to look like. But once we end up cleaning it, and the steps have taken a beating, gotten really dirty, but at the same time, it looks good. So here's a good example. That's what it used to look like when they first sanded and stained it. That's what it's ended up doing. So we'll be here a couple of days just doing the cleaning and the coating. You almost need Uber to deliver stuff from the kitchen to the master bedroom. Cool little cubby hole up there. We're gonna be taking these bookshelves down. Woo, Daddy! That's just a weird place. It's on the steps. These bookcases. We're taking those down. Up this way. Another room. Another cubby hole. We'll be filling in these gaps where it got wet from the bathtub. Emilio is scraping. We're going to stain these little areas. That's where the ladder used to be, going up to that cubby hole. So, got your little spots. So they're not going to come out. It's just going to be, by the time we finish, it's just going to be extremely clean. And then that Bona Traffic HD is going to protect it, and they're moving in, and they're just going to feel a lot better about everything. Because you could ask us to sand it down and make it look like this, and you wouldn't be able to duplicate it. It's just years of wear and tear and aging, and so, we got a lot of work. Gotta get busy. And we are back to where we started. All right, guys, whatever you're doing, enjoy it. Any questions about the deep chemical clean and light sanding and new coat of finish, hit us up on Messenger, send us an email. Have a good day.